This research-grade compound microscope offers a very wide magnification range from low-power scanning to detailed oil immersion work, making it suitable for both serious hobbyists and advanced students. The integrated 7-inch liquid crystal display lets you view specimens comfortably without hunching over the eyepiece, and it is excellent for showing live images to a group. A built-in 5-megapixel camera with included capture hardware and computer software makes it straightforward to record still images and videos of your slides for documentation or sharing. The combination of wide-field 10 times and 25 times eyepieces, with 4 carefully corrected objectives, delivers clear, high-resolution views across the entire field. Bright field halogen illumination with adjustable intensity paired with an Abbe condenser and iris diaphragm gives you precise control over contrast and brightness for different types of specimens. A solid metal frame, fine and coarse focusing controls, and fully coated optics give this microscope a durable, stable feel on the bench and help maintain sharp, repeatable focus during extended sessions.